Based in the heart of the UK, Worcester Bosch Group have been manufacturing boilers for over 50 years. Throughout this period, our commitment to quality, reliability and manufacturing excellence has never wavered. From every component that's delivered from our UK or international supply chain to the appliances that we build in our factory, our ability to be agile and adapt to customer demand across the production line ensures we can contribute to a 99.5% on-time delivery standard with the facility to deliver next working day. Our strong customer focus and the traceability of every product and key component that we manufacture was reflected in us being presented a host of Best Factory Awards for Supply Chain Management, Environment and Energy, and Best Engineering Plant. To build a Green Star gas-fired boiler, over 400 individual process steps are taken and over 600 parts are fitted within the appliance. Being part of the Bosch Group, all components are manufactured and sourced to the highest levels of quality and reliability that you come to expect from an established global brand. Not including the rigorous quality standards that are undertaken before they arrive at Worcester, these parts can also be involved in as many as 50 in-process quality checks as they go along their manufacturing journey. From sub-assembly through to final assembly, both automated and manual inspection processes ensure we examine the product at each key process stage, rather than just at the final assembly. Should any component fail a quality check at a defined quality gate, it will not be allowed to go any further along the production line. At our factory, we're renowned globally within the industry for the use of technically advanced equipment and processes. Our WB7 heat exchanger is a perfect example. Here we manufacture our heat cell using friction stir welding, a technical first in our industry. Here, the metal is softened rather than melted, giving improved quality, reliability and performance. This process is a highly revered method used in the aviation, marine and automotive industry. Once manufactured, such is our attitude towards quality and reliability, our sub-assembly parts are placed in specially designed casts to ensure that when it's time to transport them across the factory, nothing is tampered with or damaged. It's not only the parts that go inside our boilers that are meticulously inspected, but we also take great care in the presentation of our boilers externally. To the untrained eye, it may just seem like a white appliance, but to us, we test both the color and thickness of paint applied to every appliance. Here, powder paint is applied electrostatically to give the most even and consistent finish. Once coated, each part is then moved into the main oven, where they're cured at temperatures up to 180 degrees centigrade to give a very strong, high-quality enamel finish. From the sub-assembly lines, we move on to the final assembly area within the factory, where each boiler takes shape during the final stages of manufacturing. Across our 4 assembly lines, we have 2 different line designs, known as lean lines. All assembly lines are required to deliver high levels of efficiency while offering the flexibility to meet seasonal customer demand. This production strategy is the blueprint for manufacturing excellence that other plants in Bosch aspire to use in the near future. Worcester is pioneering the process and the first to implement lean line design methodology across Bosch internationally. Each assembly line will carry out initial equipment checks at the start of every shift. We also have full visibility and traceability for all key parts and components, adding further assurance that our boilers leave our factory fault-free. It's this culture throughout Worcester that ensures quality is at the heart of everything we do. What you've just seen is a small sample, which, along with our award-winning customer service, has contributed to Worcester becoming a market leader for heating and hot water. Should you wish to learn more about our manufacturing facility and services, either at Worcester or at Claycross factory in Derbyshire, we'd encourage you to come along to one of our daily site tours.